Ambush theatre is an innovative way of sharing social messages with the public. It is a way of getting people's attention by acting out a conflict in a public place. Through stage conflict, the performers raise awareness about a particular issue. Passers-by are drawn into the play as the performers ask them questions or ask for their opinion. Although people may initially believe the drama to be real, the performers tell them that it is staged and explain who they are and what they are trying to achieve. In this DVD, we will explain and demonstrate how ambush theatre works. The performance used here is from the Red Card campaign, which targets child sexual exploitation, a collaboration between grassroots soccer and Sonke around the World Cup 2010. Preparation takes place in the weeks and days before the performance. Meet beforehand to discuss your ambush theatre. Discuss the objectives of doing the ambush theatre. You need to be completely clear on why you are doing this and what you hope to achieve. Ask yourselves, who is our target audience? Choose the site and time of day of your performance accordingly. Make sure everyone has directions or a map. Learn your script. Rehearse your role in the play until you are completely comfortable with it. Improvisation is okay to a degree, but remember, the script leads the story and determines the end. Think about possible questions you can ask the audience and what the answers might be. Discuss how you would respond to different audience reactions. Preparations also include having the appropriate materials and props. Have a pack of red cards and flyers. These players aren't wearing their red card t-shirts, but you should wear yours under a jacket. Check out the venue beforehand and know exactly which spot you would use for your performance. Take these points into consideration when choosing your spot. Is there a lot of foot traffic, and will your performance be visible to lots of people? Make sure you are not obstructing traffic. You will need a clear area for your performance. Make sure you get permission to perform at malls, taxi ranks, shebeens, or other control spaces. Make sure that all visible security personnel are aware that you have permission to perform. This play takes place on the streets of our community. See how our players are not wearing clothing with offensive slogans or images. You should keep your clothing neutral. In this play, the players act out a scene where one of the actors makes sexual advances towards a young girl. There should be no swearing or offensive language in ambush theatre.
She's still young, man. Let her go, man. Go, girl, man. She's the right one. Why did you stop me? Do you want her? Me? I'm not that senseless, my bro. Senseless? So you mean I'm senseless? I'm not saying that, my brother. I'm sorry if you took it in the wrong way. I'm trying to call that young girl, and you are making yourself better than me. Man, don't be like that, man. But my brother, she's a child.
His friend points out that the girl is much too young and shows him the red card.
She's too young. That's a red card, my brother.
Red card.
Don't infringe on the personal space of the audience.
Don't point your finger.
Be careful you don't push a fellow player into the audience by mistake.
Hey, my brother. Do you have a young sister?
Yes, I have. She's 14.
Will you be happy if I have a sex with her?
No, man, that's not a yoba.
Will you be happy if I'm gonna have a sex with your young sister? No. No. So why it is okay to the other young ladies?
Okay, you are right. It's not okay, man.
So what this red card means, man?
Okay, let me tell the people before I ask her your question. Guys, it is just an acting. It is just a play, man. You see?
Hey guys, do you two lovers deserve the red card?
Ash, I don't know. I think that was a bit harsh.
He does deserve it. I saw an older man taking young girls all the time.
Always show respect for freedom of expression, human rights, gender equality, and dignity for all.
So who must give a red card to the people?
Yo, it's not my job.
But it is. We must all act to stop the things that we see.
Be focused. Don't get distracted. Switch off your phone.
Guys, these things happen. Places where there is no police, social workers, and people like Sonke, you won't always be there. So if you something wrong, you must give a red card.
Will you give a red card? Yes, sure. I don't have a problem.
Where will you use a red card and when?
If I see something wrong in the shipping.
So if you see something wrong at the shipping, what do you do?
Red card.
If you see something wrong happening in your taxi rank, what you use?
Red card.
If you see something wrong happening in your community, what you use?
Red card.
Who wants red card? Yeah, Izan. Izan again. Yeah, I'm going to Machita, man. Thank you very much, gents. All right.
Don't break anything and don't leave a mess. This piece of theater brings home 3 messages to the audience. It's not okay to sleep with young girls. Men must act to stop their friends from doing this. You can use the red card to stop sexual exploitation.
Hey guys, how was it?
After the performance, take the time to discuss the performance together. What worked? What didn't? How did people respond? And how many people engaged? What challenges did you experience? How can we improve things next time? Please also take the time to let Sonke know that you have performed, where you were, and how things went by using your cell phone. More tips and guidelines are available in your action kit. For more information about Ambush Theatre or the Red Card campaign, contact Sonke Gender Justice on 021 423 7088 or 011 339 3589.